Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit TikTok videos. So go for your TikTok app. So go for in this plus icon here. So you have to allow your camera. Now you can add change your timing from here, which is 15 seconds, 60 seconds or 10 minutes. So if you choose 15 seconds, then you can speed up your video. Then you can filter from here. After that, go you can beautify your video from here also. Then you can add timer with 3 seconds or 10 seconds. I prefer 3 seconds. Then you can start recording. So yeah, you can see, and you can flush or not, and again you can right here, then go for next, or here you can add sounds from here, or you can just save it from here. You can edit this video, you can edit by seconds from here, or you can add sound, search for your favorite sound from here. Okay, so I'm just use a random sound from here and go for save. After that, you can add templates, which is automatically added here. Okay, then go for save. You can add text. Okay, you can change your font from here. You can change font. Okay, you can change font color. Then when you are done, okay, you can resize it from here also. So when you are done, you have to just click on done. Okay, then you can add stickers or emojis. So I'll choose this one. Okay, you can add effects in this one or anyone you choose from here. Then go for save again and click on this arrow button, and you can go for filter voice and add your again video. After that, you have to just click on next, and your video will be uploaded after editing. So guys, this is how you can edit TikTok videos. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.